Hi everyone, I'm Ben from Go Salary, and I'm here to explain how salary packaging works and how you can save some tax. At Go Salary, we believe in innovation. So not only will you be in complete control of your salary package, but you can even manage it from your mobile phone. So let's go. Normally, your wages are fully subject to tax. However, because you work for a not-for-profit, you get a tax concession. This means that you can earn a portion of your wages tax-free. The limit is set by the tax office. Given that you work in a hospital or for an ambulance service, your limit is just over $9,000 for everyday expenses, such as mortgage, rent, or credit card. You can also claim around $2,500 for dining and holiday accommodation. So that's over $11,500 extra tax-free per year. Remember, you still get the tax-free threshold that everyone in Australia receives as well. Now, let's take a look at how salary packaging works. Here's a regular payslip based on someone earning $50,000 per year, or about $1,900 per fortnight. Here's your gross pay, and there goes the tax. You're left with your take-home or net pay. Now, let's get to the exciting bit, a payslip with salary packaging. Here's your gross fortnightly pay. Now, this is where the magic happens. The salary packaging money gets taken out of your pay pre-tax. That can be up to $346.50 for everyday expenses and about $100 for dining and accommodation expenses. You're then taxed on the remainder of your pay. As you can see, you're paying over $150 less in tax per pay, and that's why you salary package. So what happens when you get paid? Payroll still pays you your wages, but the salary packaging money is paid to you by Go Salary. We normally pay the salary packaging money straight back into your savings account, same as your pay, but this can go into whichever bank account you like. Basically, this means that every time you get paid, you'll now get paid twice. One payment is your wages from payroll, and the other is your salary packaging money from Go Salary. It's that simple. Nothing changes, except that you're getting two payments each pay instead of one. And you've also got a little extra cash in your pocket. To calculate your own savings and your new take-home pay, just visit gosalary.com.au. Part of setting up your salary package involves looking at your day-to-day bills. Remember on our payslip, your salary package amount consisted of everyday expenses. This payment to you must be seen as a reimbursement of your bills, so that it's not taxed as wages. So we need to know which bills or expenses you have. The tax office won't just give you the money tax-free. They want us to make sure that it's all paid properly as well. The best way to explain what you need to do is to perhaps treat salary packaging as a game, where you need to gather up all your bills and see if you can hit your maximum entitlement. The maximum you can claim is $9,010. If you show me that you have $9,010 worth of expenses, then we arrange with payroll for you to get this amount extra tax-free, which sounds pretty good, right? If you only show me $7,000 worth of expenses, you only get $7,000 tax-free. So the more, the better. Remember, $9,010 is your target. To make the game quick and easy, I suggest you start with your biggest bills first. And if that's not enough, we can then work back from there. Hopefully, only one or two bills is all you need. The good news is that the bills don't have to be in your name. Any family bill is fine. So if you or your partner pays the rent or mortgage, we would always use that bill first, since it'll probably be the biggest. Remember, we don't pay the bills. So your salary packaging money always goes back into your bank account, just like your pay. So let's look at which bills you can use to hit your target. Bearing in mind, the aim is to hit about $9,000 worth of everyday expenses. As I mentioned, the best approach is to use your biggest bills first. Here are some common ones to start with. And these ones are also great because they don't have GST. So, for example, if your mortgage or rent is $1,500 per month, that's $18,000 a year. This means it's the only bill you need to tell us about, as it covers the full value of your salary package. Otherwise, grab a few different bills to get you to the maximum. For instance, if you're in a share house and pay rent of say $200 per fortnight, you won't quite hit your limit. So, just simply tell us about another bill or two until you reach your maximum salary packaging entitlement. As you can see, you can have a combination of expenses. And it's okay if the expenses you provide exceed the maximum. We'll make sure that you don't salary package more than the limit. Once you've told us what your expenses are, next comes a little bit of paperwork. We all know we need a receipt or an invoice to claim a tax deduction. So when it comes to salary packaging, it makes sense that the tax office wants us to provide proof of the expenses we salary package. And it's really quite easy to do. Here are some examples of acceptable proof of expenses. We call it POE. For a fixed expense, like mortgage or rent, you only need to provide proof once. But for expenses where the amounts vary, the tax office wants to see each bill. So if you're claiming your credit card, you would send us 12 months of credit card statements each year, either all at once or maybe 3 or 4 every few months, whatever suits you. If you were claiming rates, you'd provide your annual rates notice, or for school fees, you'd provide a copy of the school fees each term. Remember the game principle. Whatever amount you salary package, you must provide enough proof to cover this amount. But by using your big bills first, you may just need 1 or 2 bills to cover the lot. And if paperwork is not your thing, we do have a solution. We have an everyday expenses card for things like groceries, petrol, and bills. We also have a meal entertainment card for covering dining and accommodation. You can find out more information on these cards at the Go Salary website. As well as your everyday expenses, there are other areas where you can make tax savings too. Holiday accommodation and meal entertainment is a very popular extra benefit. You can salary package your holiday accommodation and dining expenses up to a limit of $2,650 per year. Remember, this is in addition to the salary packaging limit for everyday expenses. Expenses that you can claim include accommodation, such as hotels, motels, Airbnbs, holiday houses, and even cruises. You can also claim meals, such as a dining meal with family and friends. But you can't claim any flights, tours, or entertainment, like movies, theme parks, or concerts. There are a couple of ways you can claim the $2,500. It's probably best to check on our website once you have registered. Most employers allow the meal entertainment card. Remember, this is the paperless option. Otherwise, you can collect your receipts and tax invoices and claim up to $2,650. To add meals and accommodation to your salary package, jump online and you'll find all the details on our website and app. Let's face it, buying a car can be expensive, but there is a cheaper way. You can also salary package a car. It's called a novated lease. A novated lease is an easy and cost-effective way of financing and running a car. This is because all finance and running costs are bundled into one simple payment each pay. A large portion of these costs are paid pre-tax, so you get more tax savings. You don't pay GST on the purchase price or running costs, so you save an extra 10%. There's no fringe benefits tax to worry about. We can also save you time and money by talking to dealers and getting the best purchase price for your car. And best of all, we will give you a car lease quote with no obligation. The quote will also compare leasing against other ways of getting a car, so that you have the full picture and can see if it's the right decision for you. You'll need to check with your employer to make sure you're eligible, but if you need more information, you can visit the Go Salary website. Salary packaging is a great benefit as it saves you tax. But if you receive Centrelink benefits, have a help debt, or pay or receive child support, we recommend you get a little bit more information. We have fact sheets on all of these topics on our website, but here's a quick overview. If you receive Centrelink benefits, these should not change as a result of salary packaging. On our website, you can calculate what you need to tell Centrelink, so please take a look. If you have a help debt, then yes, your help repayments are likely to go up, but the income tax saved is likely to be greater, so there's still more money in your pocket each pay. Have a look at our website, where you will find a couple of easy-to-use calculators. Child support is a little different. Most people with child support opt not to salary package bills, but they could look at other benefits, such as car leasing. So please chat to us about your options. It's quick and easy to get going with Go Salary. Simply visit our website, gosalary.com.au, or download our app. First, register your details at our website or on your phone. You'll also need to set a password. Then, when you get our email confirmation, click on the link and log into our secure system. Your username is your email address and have your password handy. Once you're logged in, go to our Package Manager page. Fill in your contact details first for both work and home, and don't forget to add your salary, as this is really useful and it'll allow us to help you more. The next step is to set up your salary package. Make sure you have your bills and bank details handy, as you'll need these to get started. Once you're set up, we recommend jumping in and having a look around the website and the app. You never know, you might save some extra tax while you're exploring. If you happen to get stuck at any stage, we're here to help. We have a stack of fact sheets and videos, as well as a live chat service. And of course, you can always give us a call. Saving tax is one thing, but we don't stop at salary packaging. There are lots of other ways we can help your financial well-being. Visit our website and you'll see that we offer rewards, a tax return service, a budgeting app, and a mortgage broking service to save your money. So check out gosalary.com.au, see what else we can do for you. Our team at GoSalary is very experienced and friendly, so get in touch if you need a hand. You can send us a message through the website, live chat with our team, or phone us on 1300 0GET-GO. That's it from me. I'll leave you to get going at gosalary.com.au.